On today's episode of LiveLeanTV, I'm sharing the best adductor exercises to strengthen your hip adductor muscles. Welcome to LiveLeanTV, I'm Brad Guthrow, and if you're looking to build overall better looking legs, improve your squat, deadlift, or your sprint speed, and minimize the risk of groin strains, knee or hip pain, you need to strengthen one of the most neglected muscle groups, especially for guys, the hip adductor muscles. Now, the adductor muscles are found on the inner thigh and are comprised of a group of 5 different muscles. So these adductor muscles are targeted with exercises that bring your legs together. And unfortunately, in everyday movements such as sitting, walking, and climbing stairs, the adductor muscles receive very little strengthening work. And even with traditional leg workouts that targets your quadriceps and your hamstrings, the adductor muscles may not be getting the necessary treatment to get stronger. Unless you're training your quadriceps and hamstrings with wide stance or incorporating unilateral side-to-side exercises, you may be neglecting your adductors. And this is why so many men and even women have weak adductor muscles. So to reduce the risk of injury, it's also important to have a balanced hip adductor to hip abductor strength ratio. Now, the primary hip abductor muscles are the powerful glute muscles. So this is often why the strength ratio is out of whack. And when this occurs, it can increase the risk of groin strains. This makes it even more important to strengthen your adductor muscles. Now, the most effective way to target and strengthen your hip adductor muscles is to incorporate a combination of compound and isolation leg movements that use a wider stance, as well as unilateral exercises with split stances that move side to side. So here are 7 compound and 9 isolation hip adductor exercises to strengthen hip adduction muscles. The Sumo Deadlift. So the Sumo Deadlift is a deadlift variation that uses a wider stance. Now, this wider stance allows you to target the adductor muscles more. If you want to see a step-by-step video with coaching cues for every one of these adductor exercises, go to my LiveLeanTV Daily Exercise YouTube channel, then type in the exercise name in the search bar to watch a 30 to 60 second exercise demonstration video. The wide sumo stance squat. The walking lateral lunge. The Bulgarian split squat. Jump lunges. The lateral step up. And lateral sled pull. Now, the isolation exercises include the Adductor Machine. So since this exercise starts with your legs in a stretched position, just be careful as you are at a higher risk of pulling your inner thigh muscles and your groin. The standing resistance band hip adduction. The standing cable hip adduction. The standing single leg hip adduction machine. The side lying hip adduction. The side lying hip adduction leg scissor. The Copenhagen Hip Adduction. The adductor side plank. And the adductor plate slide. So since the adductor muscles have a greater proportion of slow twitch muscle fibers, many of these movements should be targeted with higher reps. And if you want to optimize your workouts and remove all the guesswork, you can now get all of my muscle building, my strength, my fat loss, and mobility workouts inside my workout app for free for 7 days using the link below. So by joining my workout app, guys, you'll be supporting me, you'll be supporting this channel, but you'll also be building a stronger, leaner, and more athletic, injury-free body. So feel free to tap the thumbs up button if you liked this content, and if you want more like it, tap the subscribe button so you never miss an episode. Thanks for watching, and keep living lean.